such lovely blooms in my garden, isn't it? What pretty white roses. Look at them. So to bloom properly, you also need conducive environment. The same thing applies in human relationships. आप लोगों ने मीम्स देखे होंगे, बहुत सारे मीम्स आते हैं where women say हम अपना बच्चा बड़ा करें या अपनी सासू माँ का बच्चा बड़ा करें. It is so funny. But anyways, and then on the men's side, हम अपनी वाइफ से डील कर रहे हैं या पापा की परी से डील कर रहे हैं. These are so cute. But coming to, and I don't want to make this serious, but please understand, when you're dealing, when you're having an interpersonal relationship, a man-woman relationship, when you're in that interpersonal relationship, please know when you are communicating, what is the other person understanding and communicating from? What age? Is the person really operating from their physical age that they are right now? Which means, are they mature enough to understand what you're trying to say? Or they are operating out of some memory in the past. In most relationships which I deal with in my clinical space, where a couple comes for intervention, most of them are dealing with some kind of pain, some kind of logged trauma or victimhood tendency, which in major cases starts in childhood. So when you are dealing in interpersonal, especially couple relationship and what you call as arguments and fights, please know, please understand whether you are, when two people are talking, are they talking being the adult that they are in that age, current age, or have they regressed? Unknowingly, have they regressed to their childhood where they have unmet needs, where their needs were not met, and the burden comes on the partner to meet those needs, emotional needs, mental needs, social needs, physical needs, every need. So when you have such situations where two partners are not coming to terms, not able to hear each other, because to understand each other, first you have to hear each other. You have to be on a common platform of communication, and if that is missing, and the person just brushes it off, नहीं मेरे को तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मेरे अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे नहीं बात करनी, तुम अपने आप को ठीक करो, तुम अपने आप को सुधारो, then please know the person is not operating from their mature adulthood space, the current age that they are right now. So in that case, go to a professional, go to a counselor. If the person is not ready despite multiple attempts, then I would suggest choose your mental peace. Choose your harmony within, and you can decide what works for you. Alright, bye-bye. I am Arshia Seth, consciousness wellness coach, a relationship coach, and a lot of mystical sciences that I deal in. Bye-bye.